Hey there, welcome to another episode of Metris Maniacs. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper blades on a Mercedes Metris van. Mine happens to be a 2016 cargo van, but it's going to be the same for any of the Metris vans out there. So let's take a look and see what we got here. As you can see, we got two size blades. We have a small one and we have a larger size blade. You can get these at Mercedes. They're going to typically run you about $57. I happen to get an aftermarket one from Bosch that fits this kit perfectly, this vehicle perfectly. It is the Bosch Aero Twin A179S. It comes with the 28-inch and the 18-inch. It's made specifically for the Metris van. And another number that you can use to search it, which you'll find on some of the auto parts websites, is this 3397-014-179. I purchased this one at Rock Auto, half the price of getting it at the dealer, so I recommend going with something like that. It is designed for it. Bosch makes good products, so I think it's okay. As you can see, these original blades are just destroyed, so I'm going to pop these off. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, I'm going to show you how to take this mechanism apart. It's a pretty unique mechanism. I have had a lot of cars and taken a lot of wiper blades off, and this one I had to look at the instructions on the box to figure out how to do it. So if you don't have instructions on the box, this is the easy way to do it. So you're just gonna give yourself a little bit of slack. You're gonna tilt the passenger side of the blade up, and then you're gonna grip this on both sides, and you're basically sliding this little section right here. You're gonna slide this forward. So I'm gonna do the reverse. I'm actually gonna push with the I'll use my right hand for that, and I can pull with my left. See how easily that slid? At that point, your blade itself is free, and you can just pull it right off there. Now to put the blade back on, obviously it's the reverse of taking it off, so we're just going to line it up. We're going to push this into place. There we go. You can see the tab here. You want to pay attention to the tab, make sure it's in its right spot, and then you just lock that into place. At this point, we're good to go. We're done. There you have it. Easy as pie. Less than 5 minutes replacing the wiper blades. Would have been a lot less shorter if I wasn't shooting this video, but I hope you all find it helpful, and subscribe to the station if you like what you're seeing and you have a Metris van and you want to continue to see how-to videos on this vehicle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.